Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to Jessicatestyle. And today's video I'll be sharing with you my Target haul. So I've been gone for a hot minute. Like, I know I didn't upload a video like last week, Saturday, right? Yeah, because it's Wednesday. So yeah, I didn't upload last Saturday because I'm working straight, like no day off, straight, and I'm so exhausted. Let's just say tired. So every time I go home and then I try to film a video, I'm so tired, and then there's no more light, like, because I use daylight, so there's no more light. And now I invested in a ring light, as you can tell. Like, you can see my eyes, there's a white circle. That's the ring light. So I invested in one like 18-inch ring light. So yeah, I don't know like how it works or something, but we just set it up. So it's finally here and I can make a video now. So let's start with my first item. What should I start with? The clothes, the shoes, or let's just start with the clothes. So these items, I didn't buy it like one time. I just got it like every time. Not every time. It's like every visit. Like, I see one item and then I will buy it, or like two items and I will buy it. It's not like in one purchase I bought it all. Some of like 3 items I bought it from last year, and then I think they still have it in stock. I don't know, like I still saw them at the website. So let's start with the new one. Yeah, the clothes. So the first one that I got is a camisole. It's a blush color, and it's just like a halter, and it has like a, what do you call this one? T or Y strap at the back, and it has a adjustable strap right here, and it's just like a simple satin camisole. So I got this at the lingerie section. There's a matching shorts with this and then matching robe, but I didn't get that because I don't really wear this kind of sleepwear. I just wear a t-shirt and pajama, that's it. So I got it in medium size, and the brand is from Stars Above. Oh, you can't see it. Can you see it? Stars Above. And then it's $12.99. It's kind of like, for me, it's kind of like expensive side, but if you buy a camisole at H&M or Zara, it will cost you like around $20 to $25. Some they do have like $16, but I kind of like this color though. Like, it's blush and it's perfect for springtime. So the next item is just like a basic black top with a crew neckline, and then it has kind of like longer than the regular sleeves. Oh my god, I'm so white. No. Now I'm back. So with this one, I got the longer than the regular sleeves because I have a humongous arms. So I don't want to show my fatness. So I decided to get a longer sleeves. It's not long sleeves, it's just like a half sleeves. I don't know how to call it. Comment down below if you know. So the brand name is Who What Wear, and I got it in medium size, and the price is $17.99. So if you've noticed, most of the items that I got are basic items, like neutral colors, like basic colors, basic t-shirts, because I want to invest to those kind of like basic items now, because most of the ones that I let go when I purged my closet, like I purged my closet 3 times now. So most of the tops, bottom, or shoes that I purged, like I let go, are more on like they have a lot of like patterns, like their styles is just like for that season. So I'm kind of like want to invest in the ones that I can wear it like multiple times in different seasons and through the years. And the next item is button down shirt. I don't know if it's button down or button up. I'm confused sometimes. I don't know. Comment down below if which one is the right term. Probably both is okay, but I don't know. I'm still confused. And yes, I bought another one again from my last video, and I will link it up here. That video, I think I bought that from Walmart. I found it at clearance section, and I think I got it for like $5. It works perfectly, but that specific shirt, I'm gonna use it for like casual. If I want it like too loose, that's my shirt. But I got this one, it's kind of like not too tight, but like kind of fitted on me. And this is not a women's white button-down shirt. It's men's white button-down shirt. So I love men's button-down shirt because they're thick and their collar is more bigger, and then like it's more sturdier. Because most of the women's white button-down shirt, it's so thin, and then their collars are so small. I don't like that. I love the collar that have like it's so sturdy here, and then you can pull it up right here, and then it does that. I don't know why. I don't know, like I just love it. So I got this in standard, not the slim fit, because the slim fit is kind of like too tight. Like it's not too tight, but like I'm not comfortable with it, you know. But this one, it's so nice. It's so comfortable. You can wear it as formal, and then you can wear it as casual as well. So I got this in standard, and the brand is Goodfellow & Co. And this is $29.99, $30. So I love this. So I found one that's similar like this at Banana Republic. So the only difference is the cuff is longer and the fabric is so soft. Well, and the price is $70. So I cannot buy $70 for now. So the solution is Target. So before moving to shoes, I want to share you like 2 random things in this haul, because I saw this one. This is so cute. It's a hairpin. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? It's like jeweled hairpins. And at first I thought it was like Target brand, and then it was like, I think from Blogger, like I don't know how to pronounce this brand, and they collaborated with Sincerely Jules. I don't know her, but I love her collection. There's like headbands, clips, like this one, pins. So they have like different kinds. Like, you should check it out. And the next one is Hamilton Beach iron. So we have a lot of iron when we used to live in Lake Tahoe. So ever since we moved back here in Las Vegas, I forgot about iron. So yeah, we got an iron, and it's like dual, I don't know, what is it, 2-in-1. It's a iron / steamer, because some of the clothes I don't want to iron them because I might burn them. I'm scared. So especially like those kind of like satin, silk fabrics. So I needed an iron / steamer, and this is, I think this is like $20. So yeah, iron. So the next one that I'm gonna show you are the shoes, and the first item is this one. So this one is kind of like, I don't know how to call this one, because mule is this style, mule, like it's like open over here, and loafer is kind of like this style up front. So I guess I'm gonna call them mule loafer or loafer mule. I don't know. Well, I'll just call them mule because everybody's calling them mule right now. So I've been wanting to get mule since like last year springtime, but I don't know why. Like, because I live in Lake Tahoe last year, and all I do is hike, bike, go to the beach, like basically like outdoorsy stuff. So I don't really have that time to like look cute or something, you know, so I didn't buy it. So this year I want to give it a try. So yeah, so the texture is kind of like wicker basket. Is it wicker basket? I don't know. It's like rattan in the Philippines. Rattan? Is it? I don't know. You can see it? Can you see it? That's the texture. And then the brand is Universal Thread. And I got this in size 8. And it's $24. Well, no. $24.99. I lied. $24.99. So it's $25. So yeah. So my last 3 shoes that I'm gonna show you, I already purchased it last year, but it's not spring and summertime. I purchased them around, no, not spring. I purchased them like around fall time, like around September, end of summer, and then beginning of, why I keep on saying spring? Probably it's just my favorite season, right? But I purchased them like around September, ending of summer and beginning of fall. So this one is the ballet flats with pointed toe, and it's leopard, and with open side right here. So I got this in size 7.5 because if I get the size 8, every time I walk, my heel keeps on like popping out like this. So I need to downsize so it stays there. So the brand of this one is A Brand New Day. And this is still available at Target until now. So they have like black, this color, red, is it like light blue, taupe, and then I think blush, I think. Yeah, they have different colors with this one. And yeah, this is useful. I use this like multiple times. And last but not the least are these block heels. So I already like talk about this block heels in my like top 10 must-have shoes. I'm gonna link it up here. So I love these shoes. So with this one, I'm not sure if they still have it. I think they don't have it anymore, but you can always find this specific design with different website because this is kind of like a popular style. And this one, I'm not sure if Target still have it, but they have some of this kind of similar design with other websites as well. But yeah, I love this block heels. I use this like multiple times. This is, I think, 4 inches, and then this is 3 inches. This is so comfortable. So yeah, these are the last items in my Target haul. I hope you guys enjoy this Target haul video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until my next video, I love you so much, and see you guys later. Yeah.